Hey everybody, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we have a special treat. This here is a very first 360 review. Now, obviously we reviewed a lot of products as you can see in this room here, and today you are our guest. We'll be looking at the Ironman suit, which is right over there. So as you can already tell, it looks really cool. So it is a life-size, actually it's designed to fit me specifically, Ironman suit, which we reviewed quite some time ago. However, this is more of a follow-on update. So you can see that it's got a nice red metallic finish, especially if you're in the market for one. This thing is a very unique showpiece, and top it all, you can actually go ahead and wear it, which is actually even better than anything else. So let's see what it looks like turned on. So I actually kind of hooked it up with Google. Watch this. Hey Google, Ironman protocol. That didn't work. Let's try it again. Hey Google, Ironman protocol. It is initiating. So you can see the lights kind of going on. And got some lights going on in the room. Cue that music. Sweet. All right. Anyways, so let's go ahead and turn it on. So we have our lovely remote over here. Hit number 6. So we'll go ahead and initiate all the arc reactors. And now you can go ahead and control the suit. If you hit 1, the helmet opens up, and you even have a blue halo inside. Press 1 again, it'll close. It'll kind of flash, which is kind of neat. You hit number 3, and the top missiles will load up, which is really cool. So you go ahead and close that off just like that. Number 4, got a missile with a laser here on the side. Number 5, the other missile. And then last but not least, number 2, which is the flight control on the back, which you can't see because you're there. So let me rotate this for you guys. There we go. Can you see it now? How cool is that? No. Then we can go ahead and turn off the lights. There we go. Look at this. So cool, right? What? And you're gonna go and turn it off just like that and say, hey Google, deactivate protocol. And then everything goes off. So yeah, that is Ironman in a nutshell. Now, this particular company will make it based off of your own design. So you can go ahead and customize it any color you like. You can even go ahead and throw in your own logo, like the way we did right here. That's kind of cool. And yeah, they have different kind of suits that you can go ahead and wear. Now, obviously, it is a hefty price tag of $10,000. But there is a lot of technology behind it. So let me show you. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is actually take this off and give you guys a little tour. Please don't mind me. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys inside Ironman. I don't know if you guys can see this, but so there's a lot of mechanisms going on in there. Now, if you wanna see how it looks like to actually wear the helmet, there we go. Hopefully that's not too bad. Can you guys see me? So yeah, something like that. Okay, and then let me go ahead and turn this thing on again for you guys. So you hit 1. So that's what you see. Kind of gives you an idea what that's about, which is pretty cool. Let me go ahead and bring the camera back down. Unless you guys really want to stay in there. Ow. All right. So if you can go ahead and see inside the suit. There we are. Oh, no, maybe on this side here. Let me just, there we go. So you guys can see how it kind of works on the inside. And it kind of gives you a demonstration of what exactly is happening all at once. So that's actually really cool. Just to kind of give you an idea of what that's about. But yeah, there you guys have it. All right. All right, well, thank you again for watching. And if you guys, well, you guys are kind of wobbling there. There you go. All right, well, thank you again for watching. And if you guys had any questions about Ironman, feel free to comment down below. And if you guys want to see anything else, let me know too. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.